This is 6 years I've been growing. This is no good. So 6 years I've been growing, and I'm really happy with my progress. So, you know, if I want to continue to grow, I have to just keep practicing. Okay, these seeds are really, really tiny. Really, really tiny. I have to be careful not to, how about I do this? So I won't jinx myself, not to drop it into the soil and have stuff popping up later where it shouldn't be. Those are tiny seeds. Very small. Very small seeds. So, like I said, that one little thing, right? That would cover it and it wouldn't be able to germinate. This is why I have to pull out things from my soil so that this is it sitting on top of there, blocking it from coming up. Okay? That is how and why you do that. So, I'm going to put one here, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and this needs some more soil, does it? I don't know. We're just going to play here, okay? I have to remember to label these. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds. And I'm going to use this little screwdriver to move the seeds around because I don't want them to be too close to each other. And I definitely have to go and get my mister for this because this water droplets are going to make that go everywhere. So, hello, welcome back, welcome back. Cooking at Sunset together. I am planting some Shasta Daisy flowers. So I'll put some here so you can see how thin they are. And I'll show you this example. I just had to go through and separate out my soil pieces so that these seeds wouldn't be blocked from the light. So again, over here, this probably needs some more soil. That's good. And then I'll put just a few seeds here. This is so exciting. Oh my god. Okay. That has no seeds. We got four there that are done. And I have several packets of these. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to have a nice variety of color and size so that when I make my bouquets, there's variety. Okay, be right back to go and get my mister, which I actually use for my hair. I'll be right back. Here is my mister that I use. It's really one that I use for my hair. It comes out very light, and because these seeds are so delicate, I'm just going to start them like that. So I've just planted some Shasta Daisy flower seeds, and I'm just using my water mister that I use for my hair to water everything in so they don't be washed away. But you want good soil contact, so that is what I am doing. I think that's good enough. I still have seeds in this packet. It says to plant them 1/8 of an inch under the soil, which really is just a light sprinkling. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of soil on top. And that's it. Like, this is too big. I'm going to take that out. Hopefully I don't move any seeds when there's spacings. But yes, this is really all it takes is a little sprinkle of soil. And eventually they'll make their way to the light. I have to be a little bit more cautious because these are tiny seeds. So this, again, is something that would block the light and the seeds from coming up through. So this is a light sprinkling of soil. I'd imagine this is an eighth. I'm not about to use a ruler or anything, but just a light amount of soil so that it doesn't, like generally if I were outside planting, you're going to want, you know, like protect it from the wind and stuff like that. This is too big as well. So the rest of this I'll just sprinkle between my hands, and then you want to firm it down just a little bit like that. So, and I'll probably do another mist with my water mister just to make sure it's thoroughly moist so that the seeds continuously have enough energy to break through the soil. You don't want to go too crazy with it. And this I'm seeing, there's a lot of big particles in here. Yeah, I'm going to be careful because I see these seeds are just below the surface. Okay. I don't want to overdo it. Mic check.
Nesia Beatz.